Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're living in Japan or dealing with banking here, you might need to transfer money between banks. Today, we're covering how to transfer funds from JP Bank, formerly Japan Post Bank, to Mizuho Bank in 2025. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your JP Bank app or online banking set up on your device. It's super important to have a stable internet connection for this. Step 1. Log in to your JP Bank account using your ID and password. If you're using the app, you'll see a clean dashboard. Go ahead and tap on the Transfers or Send Money option. Don't forget, in 2025, they've added extra security features like biometric verification, so you might need to use your fingerprint or Face ID. Step 2. Select the type of transfer. Choose Domestic Transfer, since both banks are in Japan. Then, enter the recipient's details. You'll need the Mizuho Bank account number, the branch code, and the account holder's name. Double-check these to avoid any errors. Nothing worse than sending money to the wrong place. Step 3. Input the amount you want to transfer. Keep an eye on any fees. In 2025, JP Bank might charge a small fee for interbank transfers, usually around 200–500 yen, depending on the amount. Once you've entered everything, review the details carefully. Step 4. Hit Confirm. You'll likely get a one-time password, OTP, sent to your registered phone or email. Enter that to authorize the transfer. And just like that, your money is on its way. The transfer should process within 1 to 2 business days, but check Mizuho Bank's app for updates. A quick tip. Always verify the recipient's information to prevent fraud, especially with rising cyber threats in 2025. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. That's it for today's guide. You've got this. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.